Hi, today I'm gonna show you how to make crochet scrunchie. Let's get started. To start, make slip knot. Now you put slip knot, go through into the hairband and grab the yarn like that and make 3 chains to start. The first one, if you need to tighten the yarn, just pull a little bit. And second, then third. Now you make double crochet from now on. I grab end tail like that and crochet with it so I don't have to worry about later on. Okay, this is first double crochet, complete, and second one together, grab the yarn and pull the yarn underneath of the hairband and pull through 2 loops and one more time to complete. Okay, one more time. Yarn over and go underneath, grab the yarn, 3 loops on the hook and grab the yarn and go through 2 loops and another 2 loops to complete. You make double crochet, go around. Sometimes you feel a little bit too loose, so you push them together and make sure no spaces in between double crochet. Almost done with first round. Just to make sure you have enough double crochet. And whenever it's done, now you join them together. Use the first space right there and do the slip stitch to join. And it's already cute, so if you want to stop it right there, it's okay. But I'll go second round. 3 chain again. And now you make 2 double crochet into the same space. And from second space till end, you do 3 double crochet. Okay, now third space, the first double crochet and second double crochet in the same space, and the third double crochet and go around until last space. Almost done. 2 more spaces left. So again, 3 double crochet into the same space. Second one I'm making right now, and third double crochet in the same space. Okay, last space, 3 double crochet. 1, 2, yarn over, go into the same space and 3 on the hook and pull through 2 and pull through 2. The last double crochet I'm making. There you go. And first space, just slip stitch and pull a little bit and cut the yarn. And now almost done. And just finish it with tapestry needle. Look at these ruffles. These are because of the 3 double crochet in same space. If you finish only first round, you probably regret. Definitely you should go on the second round. It's cute, isn't it?